Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and as you can see, my hand is so ready to open this package. I hope it's what I'm thinking. I have anticipated a certain doll that I ordered. I ordered 3, but the one is what oh, looky here, almost tossed that down. One, I had been watching on AliExpress the prices of Blythe dolls has darn near tripled. They've gone up, not tripled, I'm sorry, 1/3 up. Which, if you go from the amounts that they are and you go up 1/3, it's a lot of money. And some of them, watch your sellers now because they're charging shipping on orders from AliExpress. Oh, I'm not sure. Anyway, I had been waiting. I had been watching this doll. She was twice as much as I wanted to pay for her because A, I'm cheap, and B, I get my Blythe dolls at that price point. But I watched, and she went on sale. I could not hit buy it now fast enough, and then I got a couple more. Well, she has hands. She's here. Ah, she's here. 2 of them are Neo, and they have hands, and one is a Middie, and she has little hands and a little dress. The Middie, oh gosh, you're so cute. I love the Blythe dolls. I love dolls, but I like some better than others. But that changes from time to time. But I'll tell you what, ever since I got my first Blythe doll in my hand, they're kind of top of the list. Oh my God, look at this little girl. Oh my goodness. And I love, love, love that the Middies have these eyes. Her little dial's tight. Maybe, let me look at it. Her hair might be caught in it. What's going on here? There they go. It's just harder to do, which is not a bad thing. But like a old picture that seems to follow you around the room, these eyes do. I think they're fantastic. All of the Blythe dolls have something about their eyes. These little Middies, oh gosh, what can I, let me get an ink pen. Look how tiny. This is a top, look at the top of the ink pen and look at the waist of these dolls. That's how tiny they are. They look like they're not, but they are. They are 1/12 or 1/8 size. They move at the hips, the thighs, can ride a horse, bend their knee, their foot is articulated. I like this, so are their waists. Their shoulders go up and down and around. Not around, but over. Well, they probably go around. Their elbows turn and their hands turn. The head on the Middie, I wish they had this on the Neo, are on a ball. And this doll's really tight. There we go. The head pivots and goes side to side. And seriously, look at this hair. Oh my God. They're so cute. They're so fun. And at some point, I'm going to get time to work up some patterns for those dolls. All right, I'm going to show you this one first. This was I like this one a lot, a whole lot. And I do not, well, I kind of do. I have a doll named Strawberry with pink hair that she reminds me of. I need to get Strawberry out. I really like her and I talk about her. And I need to make her some clothes. I actually have some Strawberry print. I think J Dolls UK had sent me. But this doll has like, I don't know. It's strawberry blonde, but it's more rose gold. Really like it. It's very rose gold colored. And then the Blythe dolls, their head turns, their arms move the same as the small dolls, same articulation. But then, my favorite part, the pull string. You pull the string and their eyes change colors and directions. I love it. I think her name's going to be Brandy because she's a fine girl and she'd make a really good wife. But the guy that she loves, his lady, is the sea. She's really cute. And I love that rose gold hair. I just, oh, love it. And then this one, the anticipation of Birdie. Birdie to me kind of rings in my head because of the 38 movie Freaks. You knew exactly. There is a character that she is not like, but look at this hair. Does it not make you think of either a peacock or a blue and gold parrot?
Macaw.
Macaw, yeah. Oh, oh. I wanted to mention too that these two dolls are matted and already have eyebrows. I will not be giving them a face up, but they might get 2 strings and different chips. I don't know. But look at this hair. Oh my God. I love Birdie. Look what I made her. I'm trying to find some blue and gold macaw tiny print fabric. I'm not having luck. But I made her this. That's going to be pretty cute. I wanted brighter colors, but that's what they had. And I made her this that doesn't really go with her hair. I'm going to have to find more of a turquoise like that, but I like it. Cute enough. And then blue and gold, which she's more teal, I guess. I made her this. And then for Brandy, I made her this, oh, that's backwards, goes like this. Little dragonfly outfit. Thought it was cute. I love Blythe dolls. If you do not have one in your collection, you might think about it. They're so fun. And what I really like is they're so whimsical. And there's so much you could do with them. Let's see what else I got. I'll be honest, forgot what I ordered. It was all about her. There are some items that I have in my cart. Yeah, here they are. I ordered these shoes. They're just little Mary Jane shoes. You get red, white, and black. I used to get a big pack. I think it was 10 pair. Really cheap, and they don't have those anymore. This is what they have. I buy them because if you have dolls, you're always looking for shoes. White, black, and red usually covers the outfit that you are putting them in. Oh. And then I'm going to make her something out of this. I will make that for Birdie. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Let me know if you've gotten any new dolls lately. And subscribe.